And we're back with the second video of the day, although it's going to be the third video that I upload, as long as that can actually hack it. So, we are sitting here next to the old noise box. It's my computer. I'm not sure if that's the fan at the back or the power supply fan. I'll find out once I get the new case. But I'm going to take a seat here with some quiet time and discuss computers. Although technically some of these are refurbished. Although my first option would be this, the HP Pro 3125 Micro Tower. It will at least give me some upgrade options, including with the processor. But the thing is, I only really need this for editing and that. So I went a bit further, and I've got to go quickly right hand here, and one of my first alternatives is this Acer AX1300. It's got an Intel Phenom RTX 8550, 3 gigs of RAM, 320 gig hard drive, and Windows Vista. The thing is, for about 16 and 17 quid, this can easily be upgraded to Windows 7. Yeah, no picture. But then again, it's also got GeForce 8200 graphics, which is an advantage. Well, for around the same price as that, I can either get a HP DC7900 or a DC5800. Both of these have Core 2 Duo E8400s, 2 gigs of RAM. The top one has 160 gig hard drive, the bottom one has a 500 gig hard drive. Both have rewritables, but the first one has Windows 7, the bottom one has Windows 10. So hopefully this one isn't as much as a freaking arse. And on the final page is this for £68, but you'd have to add in delivery. It's basically the same as the HP. It's a custom, or well, whatever it is, with the AMD with an AMD X2 250. That's a 2X2 250. 2 gigs of RAM, 500 gig hard drive, DVD drive, Windows 7. 68 quid, but as I said, I have to factor in delivery. Although, one thing I could do is forget about all that and peruse the clearance section on overclockers, because I could easily build a cheap computer from parts in here for about £160. But then again, that's with no monitor and no operating system. But as per usual, I can easily acquire those for cheap. So yeah, this is going to be a very interesting few weeks. Although I think one thing I might be doing, quickly do this. Oh blimey, I think I've got bloody smears on me glasses. And what I think I might do first is get one of these 500 gig external hard drive, because the 320 I have is filling up quickly. Because then I'll at least be able to dump everything from that onto it. Then at least on that part I can actually start the testing. So Choices, choices, choices. You never know, I might just work on this, get it up to speed, purchase this along the way, back that up, and then build the B grade, which I'm actually calling this, which I'd actually call it if I actually started it. So, at this very final spot, well, I don't know what the heck's going to be going on with the channel, since, well, I can't really do much with that, although I might be able to as long as it plays nice. So, yep, that is it. So, this is Blighty Otaku signing off. Until next time, I'll catch you later.